Hey everybody, Brian here from the Eurozone Sentiment Indicator charts. We can use these for the European zone. Obviously, these are from the ESI stats, and they're basically forward-looking. They will focus on the different members of the Eurozone. I believe it includes the UK for now, as long as they're part of the Euro, but obviously with Brexit, that's going to change. So let's check out what we got here. So obviously you can download this zip file, and we're going to open it up. So here we are. All right, so if you've looked at the US Fed, it's a similar concept, but the difference is that there's no raw data, but you can go to the Eurostat site. I do have some other tutorial videos on that. So let's just take a look at these most recent video charts and see what we got. So we have these countries here by the zone, as well as the ESI, the Economic Sentiment Indicator. So we have here, let's do Belgium, building, consumer, the overall ESI, industrial, and retail. And then we have another one of the entire Eurozone here under EU. So for each country, we'll have, let's say, Belgium, Bulgaria, I believe this is Czechoslovakia. Maybe, I can't remember that one. This is Czechoslovakia. DE is Germany. Denmark for DK. EA, I believe this is Estonia, EE. EL, ES is Spain. Finland, France, Hungary, I guess HU. Well, let's take a look at the Eurostats chart. Okay, so if we do a Eurostats ESI download, we'll say, for Google, and this is what we want here. So here we are in the EU, Europa.eu. As you can see here, we have download the table. So let's do that. Hopefully this is the right one. So this is what we're using, and I'm hoping this works. TSV. I will assume numbers. See if it loads it up. The Apple, no. Lucky me. The indicator is a composite made up of sectorial wild. Oh, I accept cookies. View table, download table. So here we go. This is what I wanted to show. I believe. So as I said here, we have all these different countries, the different members of the EU. So you can see here Germany, EE, Estonia, Germany, Greece, Spain, France, and so on. And let me just see how we can break down the charts. Actually, I'm not going to go through all of them, but as I said, I'm just going to focus on what makes sense to focus on DE, which is Germany. Is DE here? Okay. Okay, so we have DE. building, consumer, ESI, the overall economic sentiment indicator, the industrial, retail, services. So we can look at how Germany's doing overall. Okay, so here's the consumer. This is how the consumer feels about their situation. So it's a little bit on the bounce. The building on a decline. Overall ESI, it is up. Retail is on an upswing. So, that would tell you maybe you might want to focus on German stocks that focus on the German consumer in Germany as an opportunity right there. Okay. Let's take a look at services. Services definitely up. It's a steady increase, as you can see. Oops. Right here. Okay. That's the sort of trends we're looking for. So if you compare that to the EU overall, building was going up, flatlining. Consumer, flatlining. This is again all of Europe. Overall statistics, economic indicator for all of Europe is on the upswing. Industrial on the upswing. Retailer. So everything's looking good. And then services. Okay. So what you can tell just alone from Germany, DE building, I believe it was. That was a good opportunity right there, as well as was it consumer? Yeah, consumer's definitely on a good swing. Or sorry, yeah. So we wanted to see, yeah. So where am I finding industrial? Was it? Yeah. So the industrial for Germany is good. Retail is definitely good. Services is good for Germany. Okay, so that's fine. Let's take a look at maybe France is another major economy. So we want FR. So we have, again, FR retail. Sorry, FR building, consumer, ESI, industrial, retail. Again, all forward looking. So let's check out this. France building's good. Consumers down. Overall ESI is coming down. Industrial's not good. Retail's definitely down, which is not good. And services is down. So the only thing that's doing well in France is the building. Now, that's a long opportunity. These other ones are definitely short opportunities. So again, take it as you may for those sector opportunities within France or Germany, as I said earlier. So now let's just take a look at UK. So again, UK building down. UK consumers coming down. Overall ESI is up. Industrials starting on an upswing. Retail is up. And services is down. So the only thing that's working in the UK is definitely the industrial. Now, based upon how steep that curve is right here, that tells you for maximum opportunity, that's the industrials within UK as compared to, I believe it was the the UK building. Yeah, so the industrials up, but when you compare, the upswing is not as steep. So UK building's a good sector to be in. Let's check out Sweden. That's another, usually can be pretty decent. Building is flatlining. Consumers a little bit up. Sweden's definitely on the up. Industrials in Sweden's doing very well. And the retail is up as well. So both the retail and industrials doing good. Services not doing too good. But if I was to put money, I'd be putting money into Swedish industrial companies. Okay, so that's just a little snapshot on what you can do with these charts, which can be very useful to find maximum potential opportunity with forward-looking data for the European zone and the members, as well as the different sectors within each member. I'm hoping this helps you out later. Thanks.